What do you think when you stare up at the sky? A billion stars, millions of civilizations created and destroyed. What does any of it really matter anyway? Nothing matters but the countdown to this moment. Right here, right now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
This is FMX Live and our first rider from the UK, Aaron Howley. Next up, off from the United Kingdom, is Samson Eaton. Britain's Got Talent, ladies and gentlemen, Dan Whitney. One of the top 10 freestylers all over the world from the Czech Republic, 24 years young, Peter. Making his debut here at Motorcycle Live, fresh from Australia, 22 years young, Cat Bowden! Arguably the best freestyler to come out of the United Kingdom, all the way from Newton Abbott in Devon, this is Jamie Square! And last but not least, freestyle motocross from Spain, triple X Games medalist, Edgar. Oh God, Edgar. Edgar's a show off. We like to have fun up there. We love him. Yeah. Man, my calves getting a workout. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to FMX Live, our last show of this Thursday. There's your 7 fossil fuel burning gladiators. That's Kitty Proud. Thank you very much. Always been sparse when it comes to the end of the day, but we're still going to give you the same rad show that we always do. Okay, over the next 25 minutes, these guys will be doing straight airs, backflip combinations, trains, and we're going to do a little whip jam in there. So let's get things rocking, men. Straight airs for now, and then we're going to up the ante as the show goes on. Let's do this, folks. we're gonna do a competition. We're gonna do a whip jam, and I'm gonna pick the top two and put them into a little final for like a whip off. Now it's the first trick that came into freestyle motocross. It came from motocross racing. These guys are all ex-motocross racers, and it's when they used to go off the top. Well, still do it. When they go off tabletops, they go for that kind of flat kind of whip thing where they bring that back wheel sideways. Well, now they take it turned down, inverted, one footer, no footer, back flip. It's had so many variations, and then Thomas Paget probably got it fully 180 around. So we're gonna send these guys off for 4 attempts at the whip, and then I'll put the next 2 into the final. So men, 4 jumps, let's do a whip jam. So it's a bit of science up there. You'll work that throttle, it'll act as a gyroscope. It'll change the way the bike reacts in the air. They'll use different hand brakes to change where the bike goes. So if they want to go the front tire or the back tire, it'll be front brake or hand brake or back brake. If they want to drop that front tire, which is that landing brake. Special. Now we're going to put a couple of these guys into a whip jam. We're going to put Samson Eaton against Peter Pillat. You guys get 2 jumps, okay? 2 jumps. Who's got the best whip? Now Pillat, he does a really late whip where he takes that back tire and last second he bones it out, kind of like a snowboarder boning on his back foot. Samson Eaton, he's won 2 whip jams. He did one so good at Festival of Speed. Well, wasn't that good. He got it so far 180 that he didn't bring it around in time, landed flat, and couldn't walk for 3 weeks. It looked good until he didn't like it. Okay, give these guys a bit of a break before we start getting inverted. 4 of these guys have got backflips in their arsenal. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Pillat at the front and Samson Eaton in the back. You guys got to pick a favorite. That guy gets free midnight. So Pillat and Samson. Man, Pillat almost landing on the side of the jump. Let's get him to the top of this front jump landing. You guys can cheer for your favorite. Samson revs that 4-stroke. It just sounds so badass. Let's get him up here. So Pillat, 24 years old, from the Czech Republic. This guy took the mayor of Prague onto his bike and did a tandem backflip. What a trusting mayor. Okay, you almost fell off the side of the ramp. You gotta be careful there. So I'll say their name, you cheer for your favorite. That guy gets free beer tonight. So we got 1 from the Czech Republic, 1 from England, from Norfolk, England. Who had the best whip, Peter Pillat? Okay, so next up, we got something very, very special. If you got camera phones, iPhones, other smartphones are available. Make sure you get them out for this next bit. It's going to be rad.
I would like this to be a run. I would like this.